Hello guys, this is Mehul back again with another new video. So yesterday I show you a app which is basically amalgamation of multiple apps, that is Zoom, Meet, Whiteboard, sticky notes, and blah blah blah, lots of things. So what if you just need to have Meet, like you are going on first online date with someone, so you need something like Meet, and that will be it for you. Or you are having the first client meet or something like that, or whatever may be the purpose, but you just need the replacement of Zoom or Meet. So is there any a platform which gives features like Zoom or Meet, that means voice video calling, screen sharing, and chat, and which is free and anonymous also? Is it possible? Actually, it is possible. There's another app or website, whichever you may call, but to be honest, all of these are web apps. Whatever the conception of apps that we have in our mind is totally wrong. Everything we use for any application is an app. Obviously, it is an app, right? So basically, let's see the app, or let's dive into the video. Let me show you the platform. You will like it, obviously. Here is the application which is called Talk. Yes, that's it, nothing else. And it is basically a browser based application. So you can launch it using any browser that you have. Make sure that you have the latest upgraded version of your browser. Me and my friends have tried it in mobile browsers too, but in mobile it's not too perfect. There are some little glitches, but it is fairly usable. And this website, whenever you launch this website, it directly creates a room for you. It doesn't show any landing page or anything like that. It directly creates a room. You can share the link of the room, and let anyone join in your room, and let's have a talk, and that's it. So here are the basic features that Zoom and Google Meet provide, that is mute unmute, video feed on and off, chat, screen sharing, as simple as that, screen sharing. And from this three dot option, you can choose your preferred device which you are using, like whichever device you want to use for camera and your as your audio device. You can put your name here, but it doesn't show participant's name. I don't know why, but it doesn't show it. Here is to copy the link, copy the room link, and mirror and mirror yourself view. That basically means reflecting your video feed. And here is full screen. It's a little handy feature also. And basically that's it for this platform. But there's a drawback. This may be drawback for somebody, and maybe not for everybody. I don't know, but I let you decide. That is, whenever you share the screen, it totally replaces your video feed with your shared screen feed. Okay, like in Zoom or Google Meet, there's a video feed also of you when you are sharing screen, and the shared screen feed also. If anyone wants, they can see both. But in this platform, they totally replaces your video feed with your shared screen feed. So this may be drawback for somebody, but I don't think this is that much of an issue. So that's it. Basically, use this app and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. And what I have said you earlier, please use it for online dating and all, and let me know how it goes. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, I'm just saying, you can try it, obviously. So basically that's it for video. If you like my videos, please go subscribe to my channel. And if you have suggestions for some cool apps like this, please let me know in the comments. I will share that in my later videos also. So bye.